Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. And I'm assuming you have saw my previous video around the MFA. So in the previous video, we have used only one factor as MFA, that was the SMS. And again, that was the custom developed SMS plugin. So today we'll see how you can use the multiple factor, like you'll have the combination of more than one factor. In it may be email ID or it may be your phone number, either of one you can go for. So let's get started that. For that you will have to come under plugins. Then under plugins you will search here the multi-factor authentication. This will be a part of admin tool, so it will appear here. Now I will now click on this multi-factor authentication. So it's my local instance, that's why it is quite slow, but yeah, it should open. Yes. So here you can see the email and both. So earlier in the previous video, this email was disable in my case. And now I have to use here the both as enable. So only the SMS is coming here. If I come in incognito mode. So let me walk you through the single MFA. Okay. So here, if I log in. Okay, so it is asking me for, it directly send me the message to this my number, and I I will receive the number, I will receive SMS, and I will have to, yes, I receive that, and I have to enter the code here. Okay, so now coming to a question, what if I have to use here the email ID also? Okay, so first the preferences will be my email ID, then this. If I don't receive, I will not receive the code on my email ID, then I will be using this one. So then how you can do that? For that we'll have to enable your email also, email option. Let me enable this one. Okay, so I have enabled two, and if I go back and check the same thing here and log out, log in. Okay, so it sent me a message again. But yes, you see here, if you don't receive a message, you can go to this one. Okay, try another way. So the moment you click, it will send the code again to this your email ID. Okay, but from here you can also set, you can also change the order here. So here you can see the first preferences was my message, then this one is the second one, but I don't want the message to be the first preferences, then email I will have to move up. Okay, so this is how I will have to make the first preferences will be email, but if I don't receive code on my email, I will be using the message also. Okay, so this is how you can enable this. Again, you'll have to come here and you have to put whatever the timeline you want and save. Okay, so if I again log out from here, you can see email is my first preference, first order, then the message. Then in this case, how the login will work, let me walk you through that. So login, then I can put my credential here. Okay, so it will send me the email saying this is your code. Yes, I have received that on my email, and if you want, I can show you how you will receive this. Okay, so this is just, I just received. Okay, 0 minute ago, you can see, because this is my first preferences. Okay, so I can add, and yes, it will be login. That's it. But it may be sometimes issue that you are trying to log in but you are not getting the code on your email. Then you can try for another method here, because I have enabled the two factor here. The first one is email and the second preference is message. So if I click on this, here you can see a two-step verification. To keep account safe, we need to check that this is really you. So verify it's you by mail. Okay, so I just got another mail code. But in case you don't have a correct email or anything missing, you are not getting the code there, then you can go for try another way to verify. Okay, so I will have to click here. Then it will send me a message on my code. Yes, I have received the message. Now I can put here. Yes, so it will be working similar to the email. Okay, so this is how the MFA can be enabled with multi-factor. Okay, multi-factor in the sense more than one factor will have the option. Either we can go for an email, or either you can go for a mobile number SMS. Okay, so this is how it will be working. In case you have to enable another thing, will also free to enable from these factors. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.